Hi guys! So today I am going to try the rice water remedy. Okay, this is not the first time I'm trying this, but yeah, like I'm trying this on like camera for the first time and want to show you all the results. Like this is how my hair currently looks like. It's a bit dry and frizzy, but I have also oil in my hair. So yep. It's a bit dry from the ends, as you can see, and oily in the top portion, which is scalp. So we are gonna put the rice water in our head for almost like 15-20 minutes, and then we can wash it off. Okay, let's go. So like I have applied it on my roots. I haven't applied the rice water on the end of my hair because when I will be taking the shower, I will put them on the ends so that time it gets like absorbed. Like before conditioner I'll do that. Before shampoo and conditioner I'll do that, and then I'll shampoo it and then I'll condition it, and post that we can use any good serum. This L'Oreal one second. L'Oreal one, this is the chotu bottle, is also good. Like I have used half of it, mostly thoda sa hi bacha hai. And even the Pantene ka oil replacement one is really nice. Like you should give it a try. It's good. It's good. Your hair smells so fresh and so yummy. Yep. So yeah, let's wait for 15-20 minutes and then wash it off. Hi guys, I'm just back from the gym, remember the face. But yeah, I just completely forgot to show you how my hair looked post the hair wash. So yeah, this is how it looks like. It's pretty soft. My roots also feel a bit moisturized and absorbed. Yeah, but you need to use this consistently on weekly basis to see result. Just by doing one wash you won't be able to see the results. So yeah, stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.